Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can send money from USA to Uganda on mobile money 2025, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we're already landed in Remitly platform. This is one of the greatest platform I ever found. It helps you to send your money without any charging cost. So how you can do it, here you can see we already selected United States, and here to after the two you just need to select your desired country. So we are going to send our money to Uganda. So let's search for Uganda, and here actually you will find out the Uganda. Just click this one, and then they will give you the option to send money here. So here actually you can see it already been done. So I am going to send $100 from USD to Uganda money. So when I'll click on here, get this rate, once I click over here, then it will take you to the login page. So here you just need to provide your password. So let's provide our password and then just click to the login. Once I click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes. So I just need to provide my password again correctly, and then I will just click to the login. Once I click over here, okay, they are telling us that there is a couple of problems. So I'll click to the continue with Google, and then I'll select my address, and then I'll click to the continue, and then it will take a couple of seconds, and then it will land at me in here. So here from that place you just need to be select this one, send money options. Once you select, then it will redirect to you this page, and here you just need to be change your country to USD. So here let's do it. Just click to the Remitly, and then here you just need to be click on USA, and then here, okay, so here it will be changes. So you just need to be change your country Uganda, and here you just need to select this one, and here you can see the flag will be changed within a second. So in this way you just need to provide your money over that place. Just click to the send money, or you can select to the get started to get rates and things over that place. So here you can see it, the process is really easy. So here you just need to provide your money $100, and then here you can see just click to the continue. Once you click over here, then they will give you to send mobile money, and then select your options. I am going to select the wallet, that will be Airtel money, and here you can see just provide your name and things here. So let's provide my name, Rahim Nasim Ba, and then click to the continue, and here you just need to provide your phone number, and then you just need to proceed your things. So this is the easiest way to send your money. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Hold on, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.